Hey guys, here we have one of the most powerful compound lifts that you can do, the barbell deadlift. It recruits your glutes, your hamstrings, your core, your upper back, literally all in one savage move. But form is everything because done wrong, you're not lifting, you're risking. So you're going to start with a 45-pound barbell on a flat surface, load the desired plates on each side so the bar sits at the right height. Here, I'm going to pick the bar up, step back, and actually I'm going to set it back down onto the ground because a deadlift, you're going to lift from the floor up. You're literally dead lifting the weight off the ground for posterior chain activation. A Romanian deadlift, you're going to actually start from the top and lower under control. But today we're focusing on the deadlift. So you're going to stand with your feet hip width apart, toes forward. The bar should cut across the midfoot, not your shins. And you're going to grab the bar just outside your legs. Most people will grab it overhand. Some will mix it up, one overhand, one underhand. You're going to push the hips back, bend the knees, chest up, grip the bar, and set back into the movement by pulling your lats down like you're squeezing oranges in your armpits, but keep your spine natural. Drive through your heels, stand up tall by driving your hips forward and your shoulders back. Don't yank it. Drag it. Drag it along your legs. It should drag up your shins and then up your thighs. And then reverse that movement back. Hip hinge first, then bend the knees once the bar passes them. For a pro tip, let that bar kiss your legs the entire way up and down. If it's not leaving a faint trace on your shins or pants, you're missing max back recruitment. Keep it close like your grandma's Bible on a bad day.